Hello viewers, this is Shahnawaz Polash from Logo Formats Studio. Today I am going to show another logo design process including idea generation, sketching and vectorizing. Please keep watching the video. I received a new message from a client through my mailbox. His name is Aston Taylor. He is interested to have a clean, simple, eye-catching and memorable logo design for his relaxing music app. After discussing the price and deadline, I accepted his offer and start my logo design process. At the beginning of idea generation process, I will pick three main keywords associated with the logo: face, love, and music. We will use these three main keywords to extract some unexpected ideas. This is what we call mind mapping. When I think about the word face, it reminds me bird. It also reminds me nature. Bird reminds dove. Nature reminds tree and sea wave. Tree makes me think of leaf. Do the same for next two keywords, love and music. Here are all the keywords I found by the mind mapping process. Now I will select at least one suitable keyword from each column and combine them. Here the bird is common for peace and music. So for this logo, I can design an icon combining bird and heart. Now I am going to draw some icon concepts combining bird and heart. Here I am using Adobe Photoshop and Wacom Pen tablet. You can also use a pencil and paper instead of those. No need to be the drawing perfect in this stage of work. Just fearlessly draw whatever comes to your mind. I planned to publish few more videos on logo design process. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Among all the concepts, these three are more relevant to peace. But today's video, I will develop this concept. Welcome back to the concept development process. Now, I will try to develop this chosen concept. The first thing I can do is replace this bird with a more cute bird. Let's look for it on Google. I think this one is cute enough. I am going to take it as a reference image. Now I am going to draw another set of bird and heart based on the reference image. This bird is looking a bit complex. Let's simplify the bird shape. Assume the bird as a half circle and straight line. Now I draw the simple version of bird. I make the heart a little bit rounded to match the bird shape. Let's vectorize this version using Adobe Illustrator. Now it's time to illustrate the chosen concept. Our design is consist of a bird and heart. Let's illustrate the heart first. Select Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. With the selection tool, drag the object pressing Alt key to make another copy of rectangle. Rotate the object vertically holding Shift key. Now select both objects. Click once on bottom one. Then click horizontal align right and vertical align bottom. Select everything and rotate again holding Shift key. Select again. Go to Pathfinder. Then Unite. OK. Just one more step is left to get a heart shape. Take the direct selection tool and select these 4 anchor points holding Shift key. Drag this little point to turn the corner into curve. OK, we got the heart for our design. Now it's time to illustrate the bird. Select the artwork and reduce the opacity to 30%. Now go to Object and lock the selection. Take the ellipse tool and place a circle according to its case. Using line segment tool, draw a straight line. Now select everything and go to Shape Builder tool. Press and hold the Alt key and drag over the unnecessary lines to remove. With Direct Selection tool, select this anchor point. As we can see, there is an unnecessary duplicate line. Press Backspace to remove it. Now click on this corner. Drag this little point to turn the corner into curve. Take the ellipse tool again and draw another circle according to its case. Select everything and use the Shape Builder tool to remove the unnecessary part. Now draw a little eye with circle. Using pen tool, draw the bird's beak and tail. I am not drawing the legs at the moment. OK, we have got both bird and heart. Color and stroke of the bird should match the heart. Select the bird. Take eyedropper tool. Click on the heart to copy color and stroke. Now select the eye and show fill and stroke. Before combining with the heart, let's group all the bird's elements. Select all, right-click and group. I want to place bird's backline. diagonally aligned with this line. Go to Line Segment tool and draw a diagonal line. Now select the line, right-click and make guide. Before placing the bird, let's make round the corner, just like the sketch. Go to Direct Selection tool. Click on the corner and drag the point. Do same for the lower portion. Now move the bird towards the heart. Now reposition according to the guide. For more perfection, press Ctrl Y to activate outline mode and reposition again. Press Ctrl Y again to go back to regular view. Now I am going to turn all the stroke into shape. Select everything. Go to Object and Expand. Then press OK. Using Direct Selection tool, I am rounding the tip of the tail. OK, our design is ready for the coloring process. The client did not let me know any color preference. So I created these 3 color swatches based on nature theme. With eyedropper tool, pick this darker green. Then go to Shape Builder tool. Press and hold the Ctrl key for switching to Selection tool. Now select all. Release the Ctrl button for switching back to Shape Builder tool. Click once on bird's body. That's it. We have got our first color version. On the second version, I will just fill color inside the heart and keep empty the bird portion. That's it. Our third version would be a bit more colorful. Using Shape Builder tool, apply any temporary color to create a shape inside the heart. Now take the knife tool and slash the shape into 4 parts. Now apply all the colors from my palette using eyedropper tool. These are 3 color variants I prepared for the Peace Lover logo. Selecting a color variant and adding text, I make a little presentation and send it to client. Take a screenshot of this frame, choose a concept and design a logo based on the sketch. Then post your design to our Facebook group. You will find the group link in description. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. And if you did not subscribe yet, please consider subscribing. See you in another video.